Hello, today we will make a comprehensive inspection for all stainless steel open type Rivet 6-6 of IFI-114 Standard. We will carry out the dimensional measurement, riveting test, mandrel breaking test, tensile test and shear test. Firstly, we will do the dimension measurement. The diameter of the rivet body is 4.74 mm and 4.72 mm. The rivet body length is 14.09 mm and 14.10 mm. The head diameter is 9.49 mm and 9.62 mm. The head thickness is 1.5 mm and 1.46 mm. The mandrel diameter is 2.84 mm. The mandrel protrusion is 31.02 mm and 30.54 mm. Secondly, it goes the riveting test. The washer's thicknesses we prepared is 6.5 mm and 9.5 mm, 2 PCs for each. And you can check its excellent riveting performance. Thirdly, let's do the mandrel breaking test. Here we put the rivets into the machine and begin testing. We can see the first result is 7,404 newtons. Then the second result is 7,372 newtons. The fourth is tensile and shear test. Firstly, we rivet it on the fixture and put it into the tensile machine. Then start the machine to exert vertical and opposite force to the rivet until the rivet body is broken. The reference value of tensile force is 5,340 newtons. C. The test result is 6,381 newtons. The other one is 6,694 newtons. Finally, we put the riveted fixture into the machine and strengthen shear force to the rivets until it is broken. The reference value of shear force is 4,230 newtons. See, the result is 5,434 newtons. The other result is 5,153 newtons. We have finished all the tests for all stainless steel open type Rivet 6-6. The quality performance is excellent on all the dimensions and forces. Thank you for watching.